Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to link Binance to TradingView step by step. First, open Binance and TradingView in different tabs and sign into both accounts. Create a read-only API key on Binance with minimal permissions and copy the key and secret. Then paste those credentials into TradingView's Exchange connection form, verify live data, and follow my security tips to revoke keys if anything looks wrong or suspicious. Open Binance, go to API Management, and create a new key with a clear label for TradingView. Choose read-only permissions so TradingView can display data without trading, then confirm any email or 2FA prompts. Copy the API key and secret immediately and save the secret in a secure place because Binance hides it after creation. Keep the key restricted by IP, if possible, and document when you created it to help manage or revoke later. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after long setup sessions. It's a small comfort that makes coding or trading feel nicer. I've included the link and some other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. On TradingView, open the trading panel and select Binance from the exchange list to add a new connection. Paste the API key and secret, then save and allow the platform to authenticate. Refresh your chart and check that Binance prices and balances populate correctly. If you see connection errors, recheck permissions, confirm 2FA confirmations on Binance, and try a browser refresh. Finally, test in paper mode before relying on live account views.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.